Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that you have to make sure that there is not connected any VPN. If there is connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after this guys simply go back and open journal, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. After this guys, then you have to just simply scroll it below, and here is the option of date and time, and make sure that your date and time is correct. After that guys, then you have to just simply again go back and simply tap on language and region, and after that guys select your correct region from here, and after this go back, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. After resetting your network setting, you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you have to just simply go to the any browser and go to the Apple support, and from here guys you have to just simply describe your problem on the Apple support, and after that guys, hope that they will try to fix your problem in 24 hours. So guys, do this, and after this guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.